Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to install or replace some tremolo vibrato springs in a Strat guitar or a Strat type guitar. I'm going to show you how not to tear your guitar up, so you could actually call this video "Don't Be a Dumbass." I'm going to try to show you how not to be a dumbass, which I can speak from experience, because the very first time I tried it, I did the same thing. Scratched up the guitar, and I've read on forums where other people have done the same thing. The first thing you want to do is remove the screws out of the back of the cover, which I've already done. Take the cover off, and you notice, and this one has 3 springs. You have your bridge block and you have your block to hold the springs on. So many people take these things and try to pull the springs out, or when they're out they try to put them back in and stretch the springs. Well, these things fall off and people end up gouging their guitar. You'll see guitars on eBay where they have scratches and stuff from here, and it's because someone used these things the incorrect way. Now, the correct way without damaging your guitar is take your screwdriver and back out these 2 screws in that block. What I do nowadays, learn the hard way, take a piece of blue or any kind of masking tape or any kind of tape and mark where your block is, so you can put the block back into the same spot and your intonation should be closer to the same on the guitar. So we're going to take the screws out, back them off. You don't have to take them all the way out. The strings are already off the guitar, which I'm going to be putting new tuning keys on this guitar, so I didn't put the strings back on yet. You can do the same thing by loosening the strings at the headstock if you do not want to take the strings off the guitar. Once you back off the screws, you back off the tension of the springs, which makes it easy to take them in and out. Sometimes someone wants to add a spring, so you can do that, and this is definitely the preferred method. You're not going to tear your guitar up this way. Alright, I backed it up. I should be enough to be able to do it. Then you can easily take them out, just like that, hook it back on the claw, and put it back in with my fingers. It's just that simple. Then all you have to do, after you've either taken them out or put them back in, once you've got them back in, all you have to do is take your screwdriver and put the bridge back to where you had it marked with the tape, and it'll be lined up. Your intonation should be right on or close. And then you'll have the same tension on your springs. You can do this same thing to adjust the tension on the springs if you want a tighter movement on your tremolo bar when you're doing little whammy bends and stuff. Just tighten these screws up in the back. And if you want a looser movement of your bar, all you have to do is loosen these up, back these screws out. That's the safe way of installing and removing the springs without damaging your guitar. And a lot of people have done just exactly what I showed you with these things and scratched their guitar, and they haven't even thought of doing the easy way of just backing out them screws in that bar. I've got the cover back on, ready to put the tuners on, and this guitar is going to be rocking soon. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Like and subscribe.